Happy long weekend. So Saturday afternoon, been working at my daughter's place for the day, and this afternoon's job and tomorrow's is to empty out the garage. So this is the garage, this is the new part, looks lovely. Bit of correspondence, if I get bored I can have a read. It's the old stove, and there is that's the old vanity. It's a sexy looking beast, that is. Nice. I haven't got the bowl in there anymore. The bowl is probably the best part. Lovely old stove, had a load of Sims metal. So, and that's the original garage. So this is before roller doors. Wooden doors, nicely made. Nice place to park the Morris Minor. So everything's in here. Old cupboards. There's the basin. Lovely cast. Not worth anything. So yeah, this was a squat. There's a bloke living in here for a while. Big pile of cigarette butts out the back. And as you can see, I think there's a little bit of mould. I think when the carpet goes black, it's mould. So I think the roof leaks. So yeah, bit of fun. Yep. Luckily, it's masonite. There is no cement sheet, which means asbestos in this place yet. I haven't found a single sheet. So there's old mate's bed here. There's the old kitchen. Used to be a buffet once, back in 1932. Oh, that's a sexy kitchen. Look at that. Pipes nailed on the walls. So a bit of a homemade job this. So here we go to the second bathroom. So yeah, it was a bargain, this house. It came with 2 bathrooms. So it's got its own little hot water cylinder. It's nearly as old as me. Plumbing attached to the wall. What's a bit of an interesting wall there. Needs a bit of work. Yeah, bulldozer. And here we have the ensuite. It's got a toilet with external plumbing, which looks like it's connected to a stormwater. There's the bathtub over there. Some copper pipe running down under here. This sheet, that was the ceiling, fell down. And there we have a retro vanity unit. Wow, could be worth a fortune. Something like that. Ooh. Mirror sustained a bit of damage. So yes, it needs work. A lot of work. But yeah, somebody happily lived here for a while without paying rent. So yeah, so that's my job for the next 2 days, is to clean this out. Pull up the carpet that's rotten off the floor. It's a nice couch, I like that. Don't think my wife will let me keep it. So yeah, this building will be demolished to make room for the new house next door. Fun times.